This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming Chrome is up to date and that you're signed into the correct Google account. This matters because bookmarks tie to that profile. Next, open the Bookmark Manager with Ctrl+Shift+O so you can view structure and recent deletes. Once done, check Settings Sync to ensure bookmarks are enabled. If they are off, re-enable and let Chrome sync for a few minutes. These first steps establish where recovery will pull data from and prevent overwriting good data. Now you'll recover from local profile files. This is more precise than cloud-only fixes. Close Chrome to avoid file locks, then open your profile folder. On Windows, it's under App Data. On Mac, under /library/application support/Google/Chrome. Make a safe copy of both bookmarks and bookmarks. Back so you can revert if needed. If bookmarks back looks recent, rename your current bookmarks to bookmarks. Old and then rename bookmarks. Back to bookmarks. Restart Chrome and confirm your bookmarks reappear. The back file contains the previous state. Finish by syncing and validating. If local restoration didn't work, try signing out and back into Chrome to force a fresh sync from Google servers. Alternatively, export via Google Takeout or check your Drive/Trash equivalents for bookmark exports. If you still have no luck, restore from a system backup or use file history tools to retrieve older profile files. Make sure to copy recovered files into the profile only when Chrome is closed. Troubleshooting tip: if bookmarks disappear after sync, pause sync and verify which account is primary before re-enabling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.